In this program, I am going to show you how to make old-fashioned stovetop popcorn. I'm going to be making plain, kettle corn, and buttered. Plain popcorn. Ingredients include popcorn kernels, about 1/3 of a cup. About 1/4 of a cup of cooking oil. A note about glass stovetops. Making stovetop popcorn requires shaking a pot on the burner. Doing this on a glass burner can scratch and even damage the stovetop. It is best to use a single plug-in burner. You can buy one from $10 to $25. On an empty countertop, place the single burner and plug it in. Set the burner to medium heat. Place a saucepan on the burner. Pour in the vegetable oil. Take 1 kernel of popcorn and place it in the oil in the pan. When the kernel pops, the oil is ready. Now the oil is ready. Now pour in the popcorn kernels. Cover and wait. When the popcorn starts popping, begin shaking the pot back and forth to prevent burning. When the popping slows down, or if the pot is so full it starts to smother the popping is done. Pour the popcorn into a bowl. And enjoy. Kettle corn. Ingredients include 3/4 of a cup of popcorn kernels, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, set the burner to medium heat. Pour in 1/4 cup of oil. Pour 1 tablespoon of sugar in with the oil. Shake the pot to allow the sugar to dissolve into the oil. Place 1 test kernel into the warming oil. When the test kernel pops, the oil and sugar mixture is ready. Pour in 3/4 cup of popcorn kernels. And cover. As the popcorn starts popping, shake the pot to prevent burning. When the popping stops, or until the pot is so full it starts to smell the popping, pour the popcorn into a bowl. And enjoy. A note about flavorcol. Flavorcol, along with coconut oil, is the secret ingredient that movie theaters use to get the movie theater butter flavor. Flavorcol has over 2,700 milligrams of sodium in every tablespoon. That's a lot of salt. That is enough salt to make 9 bags of microwave popcorn. Flavorcol is great for industrial popcorn poppers, where you are making industrial quantities of popcorn for sale. But it is not a healthy alternative for at-home popcorn making. Hopefully this video will provide you with a good and healthier alternative. Butter popcorn. Ingredients include 3/4 cup of popcorn kernels, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1/4 cup of butter, set the burner to medium heat. Pour the 1/4 of a cup of cooking oil into the saucepan. Place a test kernel into the cooking oil. Place a small skillet on a small burner over low heat. Put 1/4 of a cup of butter into the small skillet. When the test kernel pops, the oil is ready for popping. Add the 3/4 of a cup of popcorn kernels in a cup. When popping starts, begin shaking the pot to prevent burning. Popcorn is ready when popping stops, slows down, or until the pot is so full that popping is smothered. Pour popcorn into a bowl. Now add the melted butter. And enjoy. For even more flavor variety, try mixing all 3 bowls together. Enjoy.